Starting with some breaking news, RBI customer care gets bomb threat. Caller claims to be Lashkar terrorist. The call came on the helpline number around 11 a.m. yesterday and he threatened to blow up the central bank with a bomb. That's the latest breaking news. RBI customer care gets bomb threat. Caller claims to be Lashkar terrorist. The call came on the helpline number around 11 a.m. on Saturday and he threatened to blow up the central bank with a bomb. The person on the phone allegedly claimed that he is the CEO of Lashkar-e-Taiba and then he hung up the call saying that he will blow up the central bank with a bomb. Vidya is joining us live on the broadcast for more on this. Vidya, give us more details on this threat call that RBI customer care received.
The person actually called saying that he's from the Lashkar-e-Taiba, and in fact during this call, he did disconnect immediately, but because he did mention a few things like there is some electric car waiting, close the door, things like that. There was a cryptic message that was being said, and that's one of the reasons why the Mumbai police believes that this could be a prank call. But because any threat to any institution or any person cannot be taken lightly, that's the reason why the case has been registered at the MRA Marg police station in Mumbai, and immediately the investigations are going on as to find out as to who made the call and whether it really there was an intention to do something wrong, or whether it was a prank call. Either it could be a hoax or could be a reality, but that will have to be checked by the police, and that's for that very reason the investigation has been, has started in this case.